In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign WooCommerce cart and checkout pages in WordPress. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the Pages section. From there, select Add New to create a brand new page. The first page you want to make is your cart page, so name it Cart. Keeping the page title simple and clear is important because this helps you stay organized and also makes it easier to identify the page later inside your WooCommerce settings. Once the cart page is created, you need to add the WooCommerce cart functionality to it. Depending on how your site is set up, you can either insert the WooCommerce cart block directly into the page or use the cart shortcode. Both options serve the same purpose, which is to display the customer's shopping cart and allow them to review the products they've added before moving on to payment. After adding the block or shortcode, take a quick look at the page to make sure everything is placed correctly, then publish the cart page. Next, create another new page in the same way. Go back to Pages, click Add New, and this time name the page Checkout. This page is where customers will enter their billing details, shipping information if needed, and complete their order. Just like with the cart page, add the WooCommerce checkout block or shortcode to the page. This is what turns a normal WordPress page into a working checkout experience. Once it's added, review the page briefly, and then publish it. With both pages published, the next step is to connect them to WooCommerce so the store knows which pages to use. In your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and then open the Advanced tab. Inside these settings, look for the page assignment options for cart and checkout. Select the cart page you just created for the cart field, and select the checkout page you created for the checkout field. This step is essential because even if the pages exist, WooCommerce still needs to be told which ones should handle these functions. After assigning the correct pages, save your settings. Don't skip this part, or your changes won't be applied. Finally, complete a test checkout on your store. Add a product to the cart, visit the cart page, continue to check out, and confirm that the flow works as expected. This final test helps you catch any issues early and ensures your customers will have a smooth buying experience.